What is insulin resistance? So already I have uploaded a video about the PCOD. So next we'll discuss about the insulin resistance. Why? Because of this we getting fatigue, tiredness, foot carving and weight gain. We'll discuss this quickly. Hi, I am Dr. Esther, physiotherapist cum fitness trainer. Today I am going to explain what is insulin resistance, why such problem happens in body. So first of all, we should know what is insulin. So insulin resistance, due that we eat food and make insulin, cell will resist insulin. So sugar stores in fat. So this insulin is secreted by the pancreas. So that secrete glucagon and insulin in our body. So what happens means, if we are taking the food, so that will goes to the digestive system and that convert into sugar or glucose. So that will travel through the bloodstream and that will deposit in the liver, which have liver cells. So that liver cells will give us convert that sugar into energy and the liver cells give us energy. So we have three cells in our body: muscle cells, next one will be the liver cells, and next will be the fat cells. So all the energy will deposit in all three cells. So if there is excessive insulin that produced in the digestive system, like we are taking carbohydrate foods, fat and other dairy and soya items, so the insulin level, that is sugar level, will be produced in the digestive system more, and the excessive insulin, that is excessive glucose, will travel through the bloodstream and that will knocks the liver to deposit in the liver cells, but the liver cells will not open, that won't respond. So what happen means, all this insulin that will deposit in the fat cells. That's why weight gain is more and more, and also the resistance, insulin resistance, and we get fatigue, tiredness, and all the sugars that stores in the fat cells that leads to obesity. This is called the insulin resistance. Due to that, because of this, we get PCOD. So how to get rid of insulin resistance? So mainly, first, sleep is very important. We have to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. This depreciation will reduce the insulin level. So next one will be the diet. The proper diet, like we have to take a gluten-free diets and low glycemic diet, and also avoid carbohydrates. So this will reduce the insulin resistance, reduce the blood sugar in our body. And next will be the exercise. So exercise in the sense, by meditation, yoga and cardio exercises like treadmill, cycling, walking, running, jogging, and next will be physical exercise. So if there will be a increased insulin level, so if we do the exercises and diet, all the insulin will deposit in the muscle cells and that break down the fat, that will reduce our insulin level, that is blood glucose level in our body. Quick review. So if we have insulin resistance while we eat food that makes insulin, so the liver cells will resist the insulin and to give you energy. So if the liver is not giving energy, we will feel tired and again we will get angry and food carving. So next, if the liver reject the insulin to deposit, so all the sugar level will be deposited in your fat cells. So carbohydrates means, if we take a carbohydrates like rices, that will be easily digested in the food and easily that will release the insulin and increase sugar level. So that is also one of the reason for the insulin resistance. If you take a balanced diet like gluten-free diet, low glycemic index, that is taking a food that is slowly digest and slowly release insulin level from the digestive system, that will not increase your insulin level more. Next will be the exercises. So exercises in the sense, so all the insulin that is not accepted by the liver will be deposited in the fat cells. So if we do exercises, so which are the energies that is deposited in the fat that will be break down, and your insulin level, that is sugar level, will be less and will be in the normal level. Hope I have quickly explained about the insulin resistance. So please watch further videos. If you like, please subscribe Fly Loop to Fish. Take care. Bye bye.